Hello, Ricky Gervais here, backstage at Ellen. I love doing this show. I always get here early because I like to witness this. This is what happens before the show. He's going for it. He's loving it. Look at him. He didn't know it would be this much fun. I think his mum took him along. That's probably libelous. Oh, look at them. Oh, she's dropped something. Hold on, what's going on? Oh, it's alright. What's she dropped? Oh, he's going for it as well. I mean, this is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They're not drunk. They're not on drugs. She hasn't got Polaroids of them making them do this for some reason. They're loving it. That's what happens.